Hi, this is Rakesh Roy watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to add or enable Hibernate option in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Right now you can see the Hibernate option is not showing here. Even if you press Alt F4, it is not showing here. So we are going to enable that option here. It will show both the place. Click on Start menu, search Control Panel, open it. Then make sure you select this second option from here and then click on this power option. Then click on this first option, what the power button do. Then click on this change setting that are currently unavailable, and from here you select this third option, Hibernate, and click save change and close it. Now we are going to check. Okay, so the Hibernate option is showing here. Even if we press Alt F4, it will show here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.